All right, we got this 2010 Arctic Cat 700. It's an EFI, and we've been going through some troubleshooting. The throttle body appears to be in new condition. It is a factory Arctic Cat. However, we are bogging down whenever we give throttle. So we went through with our multimeter and started checking our sensors. And we found that the map sensor right here, we've got our 12 volts going in, but we aren't getting our 4.5 volts out. So we have our new part here, and we're going to replace this, and then we'll start her up and see what we've got.